ma'am, principal sir, vice principal ma'am, dear staff members, students, parents, and today's center of attraction, the incoming Student Council 2021-22. Namaste. I welcome you all for Anukaran, the investor ceremony
Namaste,
for
sir.
the academic session 2021 and 22. Due to this pandemic, we are again homebound. For the safety sake of everyone, we are performing this ceremony virtually. Campaigning, elections, and announcement of result was also done through virtual mode. We at St. Vivekanand Millennium School believe that with great power comes great responsibility. This investor ceremony is an opportunity to identify and facilitate the young leaders as the members of Student Council. Student Council is one of the major selection of students who are to represent the school at different fronts. One of the major purpose of doing such events at this stage is to bring our leadership quality in all. As rightly said, leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Our vision, the school's vision, is to send out accomplished and sensitized citizens of India imbued with knowledge, wisdom, ethics, and patriotism. So, to bring up the vision into reality, a fair election process was carried out, the campaigning of which was done from 24th May to 27th May. School students and staff voted on 29th May. Announcement of result of these elections were done on 3rd June by our respected principal sirs. The newly elected student council is head boy Akashdeep Sayan, head girl Nandini Kaushal, literary captain Chetna, culture secretary Isha, social awareness captain Nishtha Sharma, disciplinary captain Kashish, sports captain Mayank Kamboj. As our school has house system and we elect the house masters, assistant house master and house captains also. Himalaya House, house master Mr. Sunil, assistant house master Mr. Sohan, house captain Nabya Faruqi. Nilgiri House, house master Mrs. Hema Saxena, assistant house master Mrs. Manpreet Kaur, house captain Bharanjot Singh. Shivalik House, house master Mrs. Mandeep Kaur, assistant house master Mrs. Mukta, house captain Jagjit Singh. Vindhya House, house master Mr. Jasira, assistant house master Mr. Shubham, house captain Simarjot Singh. A big congratulations to everyone. To start the ceremony, I would like to call our physical instructor, Mr. Indrajit, to carry out commands.
School, attention. Standard is attention.
The students are already having their sachet and badges with them. So I would request parents to put the sachet and badges to our students. I would like to call parents and the elected students to come forward. Sir and ma'am. Akashdeep Sayan, head boy. Nandini Kaushal, head girl. Navya Faruqi, House Captain, Himalaya House. Now I request to put sachet and wedges. I request Principal Sir to put sachet and badge to our newly elected school head boy, Akash Deep Sayan. We can see that parents at home, they are also putting. Now, I would like to request our Vice Principal ma'am to put sachet and badge to our school head girl, Nandini Kaushal. Now, I would like to request for Navya, the house captain of Himalaya House. We have house master of Himalaya House with us, Mr. Sunil. So I would request Principal Sir to put sachet. Congratulations to the student council and newly elected members. Now, thank you everyone. Now, I would request Principal Sir to give oath.
The principal's charge. In the name of your head, staff, and school, I confer you in the honor of the office. I hand over this charge to you to carry out your responsibilities with sincerity, and may God grant you wisdom and courage, showing the nor favor towards anyone. During your year of responsibilities, may God always guide you in the right direction to serve in the right spirit. We assure you of our full cooperation and always remember that your first loyalty must be towards your school. Will you therefore promise this loyalty, knowing that in this office there is honor, opportunity, and privilege to serve?
I do.
God bless you all.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to request sir to give oath and bouquet to the students. we have our ex-head boy, Dev Kamal, with us. So I would request him to share a few words and the experience with us.
Namaste everyone. Respected Director Ma'am, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear fellow mates. I, Dev Kamal Jagdeep, ex-head boy and a proud student of this school. Today with deep emotions, I express my heartiest gratitude towards the school authorities for providing another chance to me to connect and speak to you all. I am here congratulating the new student council members. This might be my last speech at SPMS. The opportunities I have been given at SPMS have been absolutely phenomenal. I really cannot thank all the teachers, principals, sir, and students enough for this. To finish my journey at SPMS as head boy was a dream come true. I am not sure that I would have had these opportunities anywhere else. Although I was not able to hook up all these opportunities due to the deadly coronavirus, but I feel glad that I have served my school sitting at home too. Friends, our challenge is immense. Across the globe, this virus has caused destruction. It has tumbled down various superpower economies and has pushed the most advanced health system to the brink. But as Swami Vivekananda has said, never think there is anything impossible for the soul. It is the greatest heresy to do so. We are in a state of war, and the only weapon against this is our never say die attitude. 13 years have gone by, and I still love this school as much as I did on my first day. I congratulate Akash and Nandini for being the newly elected ambassadors of the school. If there's one thing to take away from what I say, please grasp every opportunity that you have while you are at SVMS. I congratulate Mr. Inderjit Singh for conducting smooth and successful election. Coming to SVMS has been the biggest and best experience of my life so far, one which I will cherish forever and one which I will never forget. Thank you again to everyone here. Thank you.
Thank you, Dev Kamal. Our ex-head girl, Khushi Diwan, is also with us. So I would request her to share a few experiences with the newly selected student council.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all who are present here.
Khushi
I am
Diwan.
ex-head girl of the prestigious institution Saint Vivekanand Millennium School. I am here to express my gratitude toward the school authority for inviting me. I congratulate to the new council members. I dreamed of the post of head girl, which is fulfilled by my teachers and my dear friends. Now the time has come to hand over the responsibility of the post of head girl to someone who would be eligible like me to handle the responsibility, which is Nandini Kaushal. I was elected during the COVID-19 outbreak and gave my best to do justice to the valuable post I was elected for. I believe, Nandini, you would also take care of the post as I did. I am sure you would be able to handle the responsibility and manage it very well. I am glad to hand over the valuable post to an efficient girl like you. Lastly, I would like to thank you all for supporting me and considering me to the post of head girl. Thank you for helping me to reach the standard for the post. Thank you.
Thank you, Khushi. Thank you so much. Now, Akash Singh, our newly elected head boy, is coming to share his feelings at this moment.
Namaste, Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. I feel very proud to be standing here as head boy of Saint Vivekanand Millennium School. I feel I would like to tell you that I am very thankful to all of you that you thought me as a capable candidate and voted for me. This was something I had dreamt for a long time. And now, as a responsible head boy, I will try my best to follow all my duties with utmost sincerity and dedication. This badge will be the sign of my happiness to fulfill my duties I ought to do. I won't make any fake promises about anything. Rather, let my actions prove my dedication. At this moment, I am filled with enthusiasm to begin this fantastic new journey. I truly believe that this is going to be an amazing experience. I hope you all will give me your valuable support throughout my journey. And at last, I would like to conclude everything by a small poem. कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, बाधाएं आती हैं आए, घिरे परले की घोर घटाएं, पैरों के नीचे अंगारें, सर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों में हंसते हंसते, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Akash. Now, Nandini is here with us to share her feelings with us.
Namaste. I hope you all are happy and healthy. Today, I, Nandini Kaushal, is standing here as the head girl for this prestigious institution. And for this, I would really like to thank Honorable Director Ma'am, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends for believing in me and supporting me. It is indeed a great honor and privilege to be the head girl of a reputable school as the St. Vivekanand Millennium School. For me, being the head girl is not about the title or the position, but it is about the action and example which is going to make a difference. I stand here as a leader, not just to lead you, but to work in collaboration with each one of you and to achieve the best for our school. I promise that I will fulfill all the responsibilities and duties handed over to me by Khushi Diwan, head girl for the session 2020-21, very sincerely. At the end, I would say I will adopt an active leadership role within the school and encourage the extension of school spirit and tone. As the head girl, I will uphold loyalty to the school and its traditions and be fully committed to all that the school stands for and strives to achieve. Thank you. Have a wonderful day and year ahead. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you, Nandini. Now, I would request our Principal Sir to come on the dais and give his blessings.
Namaste. How are you all? I'm sure you all will be happy and healthy staying at your homes. My heartfelt blessings to all, especially my students, my parents, my staff members. On this auspicious day, the investiture ceremony Anukaran. I remember the previous years, this was one of the most colorful activity that used to take. The playing of the band, the march past of various contingents from various houses, good amount of practice beforehand, how to take oath, how to do the ceremonial process of investiture. It was a great event that everyone waited to have. But due to this pandemic, we are missing it. But it's a part of the game. Last year also, we had virtual investor ceremony, and this year again the same. But I pray to God that next year we have what we have been doing in the previous years. May God bless us with the health and happiness, and this corona is over and we are with the normal lives. Student Council, as per our quote which we follow for the school, that we want that education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. Following this ideology of Swami Vivekananda, we do each and every activity. And this election and selection of office bearers of the Student Council is one of them. Those who participated, who were the candidates, and those who have been elected, they have come out with something different. They have done which they have not learnt during their course time. They have come out to stand on their own feet with full confidence, and that is the achievement of the school. We are able to bring some leadership qualities in all these students. Today, we are doing the investor ceremony Anukaran. This is passing on the responsibility, passing on the faith, making the Student Council take oath and fulfill their commitments. Today, we had the same. I'm very happy. Like every year, this year again, the election, the whole process went very well. The students participated, and the outcome of this is the Student Council. I know they will be fulfilling their duties with full dedication and honesty. Children, especially now I'm addressing to the Student Council, that the oath was given to you, that the post which you hold gives you opportunities, gives you authorities, but at the same time, you are now bound by the responsibilities also. You have to fulfill your responsibilities towards your school. All you are from the class 12th, and this is your last year of a school. Before you go and leave your school time, you have to give to your school something which is good for the school as well as for the students for coming times. Not taking much of your time, in the end, I'll quote with Swamiji's one quote, which is, मेरी आशा, मेरा विश्वास नवीन पीढ़ी के नवयुवकों पर है, उन्हीं में से ही मैं अपने कार्यकर्ताओं का चयन करूंगा. So all those who are selected, they should feel that they are the blessed one, and others also should feel that there is opportunity, a different type of opportunity may be better than this waiting for them, but they have to go which by the expectation of Swamiji's, whose soul is motivating us to do something for this country. In the end, I'll ask everyone to say Jai for our nation, for our Bharat. सब मिलके में सब बोलेंगे जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद.
Ceremony, I would request to everyone to ready for the national anthem.
School, attention. Be ready for national anthem. National anthem. Begin.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की भारत माता की भारत माता की वंदे वंदे वंदे
मातरम मातरम